Hi guys, today on my channel we have a special guest. My cousin! Her name's Dasha.
Our names rhyme.
Our names do rhyme. We're coming to you with another makeup video, but this one's a little different than just a get ready with me or a review because we are following a makeup tutorial.
Basically, back in the day, before YouTube was as big as it is now, me, Sasha, and my sister Veronica, and her brother Roman as well, started a YouTube channel called Crazy Chicas 259. And we would do anything from like improvisation videos to like very funny comedic videos.
As 12-year-olds and even younger, we were content creators.
We didn't go to other channels for inspo, we were our inspo.
And I had this chunky like dinosaur digital camera that we filmed on.
Yeah. We have a total of 30 videos and 40 subscribers.
Okay, so I just pulled up our channel. Here's the thing. We have not looked at our channel in a long time. We usually go about our lives forgetting that these videos are still on YouTube.
Yeah.
And we have like a lot of videos uploaded to YouTube of us as children doing the dumbest things. We had this idea like, oh my gosh, we have this hilarious makeup tutorial. We should follow it and react to it at the same time because it's us from so many years ago and we know we're gonna be cringing at it.
Being goofy as hell.
Yeah. Oh.
Look at 14.
Thumbnails. So the next thing we're gonna do is take a wipe and take off our makeup because we have a little bit on right now.
I want a blank canvas to work on.
Yeah.
You know what I mean.
This makeup tutorial is one giant like sarcastic joke we were making as little girls that it's a natural makeup tutorial, but
we were pounding that cake on.
So we're gonna follow it and see how natural we look afterward. We also got our coffee. So we're energized and ready to go.
I look the same.
That's a good thing.
I guess.
Okay, so here's our channel.
So we have a total of 40 subscribers. I hope after this video goes viral, y'all will all
we have music videos
down below. And
we have music videos too.
We have a series.
We almost
Shane Dawson who?
we have a series called Our Journey at the Park.
It's like 13 episodes.
We almost got monetized when we were doing this because one of our videos got a lot of views and then we didn't know how to set up payments as 12-year-olds, so that didn't work out. We had really a potential.
But here's the makeup natural look.
Okay, wait. Okay, so I'm gonna put the tutorial like down here in one of these corners. Yeah, Josh is wearing, this is how you know what kind of generation this is.
November 13, 2011, 229 views, 1 like, 1 dislike.
Comments are turned off. We said no hate. Okay, so this is the caption, perfect tutorial when you're going for a very natural look. Let's get started.
Hey everyone, it's us. We love makeup, and today...
We never did makeup looks. Our channel was a joke. You can
We love makeup. This is gonna be really hard to watch and not just laugh the whole time.
Every 5 seconds.
Okay.
We're gonna be doing a very natural look. Now I'm gonna show you
the
makeup tutorial.
The accent.
So I'm gonna show you all just the very...
We go in and out of like a New York accent.
We were...
What's wrong with us?
Okay, no, so our dream was to just be actors. So
we loved acting.
We were practicing. I'm so scared.
We'll use a little more, but this is just the overview.
The camera
of the product.
quality.
We were showing what we have. We should do the same. This is our product layout.
It's so unprofessional.
I know.
Like you don't mess with the tripod.
But look what we got now. Kidding.
So you really don't need a lot. So yeah.
Wait, can we say how old we were? This is 2011.
I'm 21 right now, and
that's
it's
8 years ago. You were 12, so that means like I was 13. We were middle school, 6th and 7th grade. That's about.
I look so
that
much
sounds about right.
younger.
We look younger, but
we're babies. Like we're babies. Always
late
babies.
bloomers.
Yeah.
Okay. I have braces.
Primer for your face.
Primer.
All
right, let's follow along.
We were out there priming.
Yeah, at least we knew that.
A little bit. A dollop. Okay, this light hates me.
Wait.
No.
You know.
This costs about $3.99.
I was making this up.
And it's from Sephora Base Lasante Smoothing Primer. It's a primer.
My
And so what it
voice.
does, it fills in all the lines on your face. And that's awesome. And you can't see the shine at all. And so what you need is you need a lot. Like maybe a bottle per cheek.
We're not gonna do that.
Yeah. Natural.
A bottle per cheek.
I'm
Also,
breaking my
Dasha
skin.
knew way more about makeup than I did, so I'm trying to like add comments, but I don't really know what I'm talking about. She's like, it fills your pores. That's what it does. Yeah,
Oh, I was,
because
like,
she was a dancer and had.
Oh,
That's why she
true.
had all this makeup. I wasn't wearing makeup at this point in my life at all.
This
so
was
you
all
knew
mine,
way
too.
more. Yeah.
Just a dab for this cheek and a dab for this
We go
cheek,
off, though.
and
We
a
don't
dab
stay
here
on
and a
it.
dab here, and then the whole bottle on your little chin. And so then
Dasha.
what this does is it takes
You
away
are-
every little wrinkle. You won't look like you had plastic surgery. And remember, this look is natural. We're going natural.
Thank God.
Next, we're gonna use a
I'm
foundation.
scared of myself.
This is probably not your color.
This is a little swatch. That's what it looks like.
A swatch.
This is
I was using Clinique.
Clinique.
It costs about $6.99.
That's not enough.
It's expensive. I mean, it's a very good deal. And
Roman
you
is
want
judging
to
us.
We're like, get out.
Just a dab for each part of your face. You use a lot. One for a natural look, remember? So just
Which brush do you want?
That doesn't matter.
at your skin. Oh, and this is a number. It's a natural, but it's not exactly.
And I sound like Tina from Bob's Burgers. Like straight up. Exactly!
You spilled it out on there.
Just a little. And you dab it just every part of your skin. And now you have to go like an aborigine
What?
and make sure not to put it on your chin because then it'll look like
Oh, we can't put it on our chin. Dasha.
Erase. That's my problem area. That's the only place I need
okay,
foundation.
that's enough. We don't want to go too bright. We go too
Damn.
So gross. I'm putting it back.
I'm taking it off.
Remember to get it everywhere,
Yep.
especially under your
That's
eyes.
lovely.
That's the only place I need
No,
coverage.
same.
Look at my chin.
Same, I have a zit.
It's really uneven. That's what you're looking for.
Very uneven.
Next,
Just
we're gonna do bronzer. Now, this is my
We
favorite part of the
skip
face. 'Cause you can just
powder.
go wild.
concealer.
Just go wild. Oh my goodness.
No, but-
All right, we're going
Wait,
straight.
we're not setting this, so we're just gonna be sticky putting bronzer on.
Have many layers to cover up the flaws on your face. So this is Sunset Duos Milani.
What is it? I'm literally Tina. Not Tina, I'm the mom.
Milani.
What's her name?
Oh, you're just going in
This is
on the cheek.
Sunset.
You're yelling at me.
It
Not
costs
Tina,
about,
the mom.
again, 7 something.
You're just on one cheek.
It's a very good deal.
Just,
Comes in any
Just
logo.
I haven't seen you do the other cheek.
just
You
one.
can just rub it like this. And just to really get it on. So you see this shine. Do you see it?
Oh my god.
It's really gotta be uneven. That's the point. Because you want to look natural.
One cheek.
No, you did the other one with your fingers.
Okay, just
Okay,
sometimes
forehead.
more and more. Yeah.
Oh my god, you literally went Simba.
The more, the better. The more,
The more the-
Where else? I
nasty.
look like I have a bruise in the middle of my forehead.
So next, Dasha says we take eyeshadow primer, so we've got some.
Eyeshadow primer potion Urban Decay costs about $25 at local thrift stores. It's very, very cheap, but at the same time works. So you take a
Local thrift
But
store.
at the same time,
bunch, little bit.
I should be a saleswoman.
Just apply. Make sure to go a little bit above your eyebrow.
okay.
Okay,
the
above
eye.
the eye.
So then.
She was
How I
carving her brows back in the day.
Mm-hmm.
I'd give it to you.
Do that.
Oh,
That's so my favorite, almost favorite part of the Wait.
so scary.
You take your eyeshadow. I got
Eyeshadow.
or the main look for this really match.
Let's see what colors you do. I don't even know.
One brush. Number one from Clinique. So the first is a Maybelline. You don't need to know.
Oh, we didn't even let you know.
And you're going for
Oh, you're taking like a brown.
I'm gonna do it.
Make sure to go a little above, like we said.
Above the eyebrow.
A little eyebrows look thick. That's the sexy way. Next, you're gonna take this other palette and take the light color. You can see
She's moving quick.
Yeah.
Like, I don't have
dude,
my other
dude.
eye done.
We have to pause. We have to pause. She said
She
above
wants
the
to-
eyebrows.
so
That's
she-
the sexy,
that's the sexy way. So we want to fill the brows. I guess this is
Yeah.
the perfect
Great.
shade.
At this point, you were just fucking around, straight up.
Well,
we're gonna take this. Make sure you take a lot of time to apply a good thick
Like, shut
layer
up.
thick
to
layer.
your eyelid to cover up all the flaws, and that will make you look very natural. Remember,
What are you putting on?
I'm not even
More
explaining.
dark.
It looks like
woman
this.
look.
Where?
This one will bring out your abs.
Yo ass.
And we're completely out of frame.
No, you're doing it on the inner. This is so hard to do. On the inner corner. And you dragged it down.
Oh, and on top of our
We
highlight.
already got it.
You look like you got beat up.
Look like you have bags under your eyes. That's good. That's the look nowadays. So that is our eyeshadow.
Sasha's weak at me. She's like, what the? This bitch.
You'll see all these celebrities, all of them, just eye bags. And trust me,
All
that's
this-
not because they don't sleep. That's because they ask their makeup artists to do it. So,
We
are now
can't
going for
keep an
natural
accent consistent.
What is wrong with my face in the mirror?
Make sure to
Wait, we're skipping the lipstick.
So our lips, no, we're making our lipstick big. So
Wow, that was already a thing, I guess.
this is the look. Oh yeah.
Do you want me to use a brush?
I was shook. I was like, oh yeah.
Wait, pause.
No, it's fine. I don't care.
fine.
It's
We're
fine.
gonna do it.
Yeah. Should I take another one? I have another one. Hold on. Is it bad? Is it bad? You're
Bless.
scaring my dog. Oh my god. I have this
Guys.
one. It's not quite red, but
Natural. The gram roller.
In the teeth.
So.
Sasha's crying in the background.
I am. This is natural. Okay, did you put it?
This is a really should I? Okay, wait. This is a really nice color though.
Oh my god.
I'm
I
scared.
literally don't even.
This is a gorgeous color.
I just fucked up my only MAC lipstick. Ew, I want to.
Give us a second to look at my teeth.
I need to recoup.
Wait, but the highlight though.
But look at that overline. Lip injections? Who needs
Kylie,
those?
wait.
Kylie Jenner, who?
I'm falling.
I need the red.
Yeah.
Ew. It's like her teeth mark.
I can't wait to take this off.
Oh, good. Oh, you knew what you were getting into. We literally said like that.
This is Black Fusion. CoverGirl covers all the wrinkles, all
Ow,
the yucky
it's
stuff.
pokey.
So we're gonna cover your stuff with CoverGirl.
Wait, we're using like the same product slick.
Go a little on the wild side for this natural look, and I take a MAC. This isn't frost, it's a lipstick, and I use it for my cheeks because I don't have blush.
Here.
So you smile.
Pause it.
So
I'm so scared of this.
the lipstick is just the grossest thing ever.
And so you have to make it look like your rose.
Like you.
And make sure you spread it everywhere because blush should
Ew.
belong everywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Make this blush stay. You take your pink eyeshadow.
Okay.
To lock it into place. Yes.
Top it off. Extra layer.
So it's because pigment.
And then we're gonna take this mascara.
Ew. Don't dip back in it.
Sometimes
Like,
for
don't
those
get
of you
it.
who are
Yeah, I know.
poor, if you cannot afford lip
And then you
liner,
take the mascara.
you can use mascara. It's very dark and it very
We're lining! Yes!
grandma lips. And let's- Sometimes for you ladies who are more on the masculine side, and you really like that facial hair look, you can give yourself a little mustache.
We gave
Or
ourselves-
a little beard. You can make yourself look a little pretty.
I need to take this off.
We did a
We're gonna get like a
mustache
chemical burn.
and a beard.
This is a natural look,
As you can see.
Perfect for going out to the park.
You know it. You know we're gonna go out.
I can't wait to go out.
Put on makeup. Let's talk here.
Gosh.
And remember, before you go out, you
We're gonna wash it off, don't worry.
I know I have to keep it on.
Remember, take all
Look
the
at
makeup.
me.
Roll it out.
You're so aggressive.
Find a little bag, just a small little bag. Just a small bag, similar to this one. And just load all your stuff.
I'm like, that's my school bag.
All your
No.
You're like, stop.
They get it.
Reapply is the key.
Really more?
Natural.
More mascara on the face?
Nobody will notice it. It's perfect.
That worked really good.
Oh my
Next
god.
step is to contour your nose to make it look huge.
I can't believe
To
I was
make it look
doing that,
huge.
though.
You knew. You were watching.
Yeah, so you got
Was that a trend? Was contouring noses?
Oh
thought
my
that was
god, look what you're
brand new.
doing.
Okay,
You said
And
to make
make
it
it
look huge.
watch
Sorry.
this, guys.
That really made it Squidward vibes.
Do extra
Wow.
to look
I'm scared.
I forgot how crazy we went.
I'm scared. I haven't seen this in so long. Like, I knew there was lipstick on the face.
I forgot that
I
it was
did not know-
everything.
I didn't know there was mascara on the skin.
And here we are with a goatee.
You guys.
step to this. So always remember
We didn't do it.
Club and Rocket. And your
We're just
face
ignoring
will
it.
burn like it is mine right now, legit.
Yes.
She said, my face is burning. Legit.
It is though, is it not?
Yeah. She ran to the bathroom.
I'm going to go scrub this all off.
Like, this is not meant to be on your face.
Okay, and also, just a reminder.
She literally is running to wash it off.
Sasha's like, I have to finish the content.
Just a reminder. Just to make sure you always look at the top of your game, make sure you have a mirror with you in your makeup bag. Okay? Remember. Well, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. My friend over there has to go wash off her makeup because
You know.
So thank you for watching and see ya. Hope you have a good day and watch our tutorial many times and subscribe.
Oh my god! Hey guys, here's a close-up of the final look.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Disgusting. Oh my god.
Okay.
The mascara on the face is just a little too much, you know?
We in it.
We committed to...
Go big or go home.
This is gonna be only the first video of the Sasha and Dasha collection. We can make more videos together. And because we're kind of
If
an
y'all
iconic
want.
duo.
True.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. We're gonna go scrub our face.
Yeah, literally. I hope y'all enjoyed. I would love to join Sasha many more times. We have so many ideas for y'all. We got a list.
On the come up, y'all.
Subscribe though.
Subscribe.
For real.
Bye. See you in the next one.